What's up, my friends? In today's video, we're gonna show you how to restore ugly, faded, oxidized headlights. And you can do this all on your own, in your own driveway or garage with Nasiol's Headlight Restorer Kit. We're gonna go through, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. This is everything that you're gonna get in the kit. It comes with the sandpaper and the headlight restorer. So what we're actually gonna do is sand away the oxidation and all the defects within the headlight to make a perfectly clear lens. And then we're going to protect it with this headlight restorer. It's super easy. These three different sandpapers will help us sand away all the damage. They start off with 500. It goes up to 1,000 and it goes all the way up to 2,000. So the 500 is the most aggressive, 1,000 is the medium, and this is the finest grit. That's what we'll use last. So we start with 500, go to 1,000, and go to 2,000. And there's two, because you have two headlights. And then it has these little pads to be able to apply the headlight restorer, and then instructions and gloves. All right, you will need just regular water. I have it in a spray bottle here. This sandpaper is wet sandpaper. We're gonna start with the 500, which is the most aggressive. Obviously, we're going to clean our headlight, get it nice and clean. If you don't feel comfortable with sanding, go ahead and just tape the outside with some masking tape here so you can protect the actual paint. If you're careful enough, you won't need to do that. So what we're gonna do is spray water directly onto the sanding pad here, and then we'll spray it right onto our headlight. And this is the lubrication we're gonna use to sand back and forth on the headlight. So what we're gonna do here is grab our sandpaper, and you can feel it's pretty gritty, and this can be scary at first because you're going to see this haze up and cloud up. Don't be scared, it's easy. We're going to use just a little bit of pressure. We don't want to sand really hard. We don't want to gouge it. We just want the weight of the paper to do the work. And as you can see, all of the cloudiness, that's all the oxidation, that's all the dead oxidation that is sitting on top of that headlight that we're removing, right? So we're gonna go around and we're going to sand this whole headlight here. And we're gonna make it nice and hazy. If you need to add more water, clean it up. You can kind of see all of the damage here, right? We're gonna go until all this haze is very consistent. So it might be just a little bit, especially if you have a lot of oxidation or damage on the headlight. All right, we're gonna move on to the 1,000 now. We're gonna work our way from 1,000 all the way up to 2,000. Doing the same exact thing here. The last one is our 2,000. All right, so I went, a good 4 or 5 minutes on each of those different grits to sand this down, and you're gonna see a nice haze on the whole headlight. We really, really want that. That looks perfect. Well, not yet, but that's what we want it to look like. The next step is gonna be our restoration product. So this is going to be a liquid that goes onto the headlight now. This is going to bring up the clarity and protect it. We wanna sand it because we need to get rid of all that oxidation, but the sanding also makes it so the product can adhere to the headlight. That's gonna give it its durability and longevity once we wipe that on. So we do wanna make sure this is super dry. So maybe wait a while, use some compressed air if you have it, but really wipe this down and make sure that there's no water that is going to drip down into the headlight as we coat it. It's now time to apply the headlight restorer. In the kit, you're going to get a dropper here, so give it a little shake. We're going to open it up, take out the stopper here, pull that right up and out, and then insert this dropper here. And then we're gonna use our pad here, and what we're gonna do is saturate that and just do some wipes across the headlight as so. And we want it as consistent as possible. If you get any on the paint, make sure you have a towel, just wipe it off the paint. You don't want it on there, but that's gonna look like this. You can even fold it if you want to. We're gonna apply enough product on there, pretty generous. just like that. And now we're gonna let it dry. After sanding and applying the headlight restorer, this is what the headlight looks like. I'm gonna get a little bit of a close-up and show you. You may see a little bit of sanding through the headlight. For the most part, it is much, much better. What I like about this kit is for the DIYer doing it in your home or in your garage, you're gonna vastly improve the way the headlight looks. As a professional detailer, am I 100% satisfied with this? No, I'm not, because I can see a little bit of sanding through the headlight still. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an extra step. If you're happy with this is perfectly fine. It'll look great, right, on a daily driver. But if you're looking for a little more, before you actually apply the headlight restorer, you can polish it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly grab some IPA, some alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe this off, and I'll show you that. And then I'm going to polish this. And if you don't have a polisher there, you know, it can be expensive to get a polish and everything. You don't have to do this, but if you're a detailer and you're charging for this and you want to go that extra step and get that extra clarity, you can compound and polish this headlight. And I'm going to show you what that looks like now. So I have a 3-inch machine here. I'm going to put a cutting pad on. I'm going to use a compound, and I'm going to compound all of those sanding scratches out and follow up with a polish, wipe it down, and then apply the headlight restorer. And I think you're gonna see the difference between the clarity there. If you wanna go this extra 10%, you know, you want that clarity, this is what you can do. All right, so the headlight is now polished. I compounded it and polished, and then I used the headlight restorer over that. You can see the difference there on how much clearer it looks, but pretty impressed, pretty incredible. That looks like a brand new headlight now. That is the video. We have fresh, new, clear looking headlights that will be able to see at night. That's important. So if you want to check out this kit, in the description below, I'll have a link. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comments. And please check out our other videos. We've got a lot of how-to tutorial style videos to help you keep your car looking awesome. See you next time.